You are going to love the 2005 Avalanche. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, power mirrors, fog lights, running boards. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, reclining seats, Bose sound system, side airbag system, tilt steering wheel, dual airbags. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.